Hello, this is TL Cooking. Today I'm going to make some old-fashioned sour cream cake donuts. I started with a half a cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of room temperature butter. I'm going to incorporate those together first, and then I'm going to add 2 eggs and a half a cup of sour cream. So now I'm adding the 2 eggs. So now I'm going to add this mixture. It's all sifted together. I used 2 1/4 cups of cake flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. So I sifted that all together, and then I'm going to add it to my egg mixture. So this is what it looks like when it's all mixed together. I'm going to put that on a piece of saran wrap and wrap it up real good. I'm going to put it in the fridge for an hour, and then we'll get it out and make it into our donuts. So I got my dough out, and now I'm going to roll it out to around 1/2 inch. And I'll make donut holes. So that should be around 1/2 inch. Now I don't have a donut maker, so I'm just going to use these 2 little things. I'll make the big one like a biscuit, and then I'm going to come back around and put a hole in the middle. So that's how I'm going to do it. Let's go around and make my circles first. Doesn't look like this batch is going to make too many, which is fine. It's the first time trying this recipe. I'll put this together and roll this one out. Push it together. Go. Back together. There we go. Now, punch the little holes in there. Try to get them right there in the center. I'm going to leave these rest for about 10-15 minutes. And then while they rest, I'm going to get my oil together, and then we'll fry them up. So while they're resting, I'm going to make me a little icing to go with it. I got about a cup of powdered sugar. I'm going to put in 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And then I'm going to just pour in like a couple tablespoons of milk. Stir that up and just add more milk as I want the consistency to be. So I want to make like just a glaze. I really don't want a lot of icing on donuts. Just a light glaze. Otherwise, to me, they're just too sweet. looks good. I just mixed up a cup at a time. I may need more, but for now we'll just do this much. So about a cup of powdered sugar, about 3/4 tablespoons of milk, and a half teaspoon of vanilla. And there's your icing. So you can see my oil is getting about ready to go. I'm going to just drop one of the little ones in and see if it's ready to fry. Not yet. Once it starts popping up, that's usually my gauge that I tell that it's ready to put more in. Once it pops up, then I'll put more in, and I'll take that one out and just throw it away because that won't have more oil absorbed in it. So we don't want to use that one. So once that gets ready, then I'll be back. I started with putting my donut holes in first, and once they get brown on the bottom, I'll flip them over. And I laid out one of my cookie racks on top of a paper towel. I'm going to pull them out and put them on there. That way that oil can drip off of them. And then while they're still warm, I'll ice them. As you can see, they got brown, so I flipped them over. So we'll give it a couple more minutes, and then I'll be able to pull them out and put the other ones in. So they're turning out nice and pretty and golden brown. As I said before, I probably wouldn't have made enough icing, so I'm going to have to make some more. I'll take about 2 cups of powdered sugar and just add the milk and the half teaspoon vanilla to your consistency, and then just drizzle it over them. So this is my finished product. I made actually 10 donuts. Of course, I had to try the holes as they were coming out, so they are delicious. I will be saving this recipe. I hope you will enjoy it too. Please subscribe. Enjoy.